Talk like a big boy.
What do you want him to teach you to do?
What do you want me to teach you how to do? Alright, look. Put your front teeth on the inside of your bottom lip and go like this. I can't even do it now. Try it. No, you can't open your mouth like that. Do you see me open my mouth when I do it? Try it. Hold on, it's just gonna get tighter. Alright, hold on. Hold on. You have to make the meow sound with your mouth first. Try it. No, not like. I'm gonna squeeze you.
I want it out, Mama.
Hold on, let me see your face.
It's hurting me.
What hurts?
Like my arms.
Hold on. Okay. There you go. Is that better? Alright. Now let's try it again.
Hey,
Let's
I
try
don't want my arms like this.
Hold on, let's try it like this.
Oh, Miles, you're doing so well.
Oh, Mama says you're doing it so well. Try it again.
You're the cutest little boy ever.
Try it again. Try it again. Try it again.
Oh, perfect.
No, suck air in.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, dude, you know what? You're awesome. Come here.
I want to lay down with Mommy. I want to lay with Mommy.
Oh, say goodnight.
Good night.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey.